Hi, today I'm going to be quickly reviewing and unboxing the 3470 AVA. I'm going to go ahead and open up this box for you so you can see exactly what to expect if you decide to purchase this camera from us in the future. Inside you're going to find a user manual. You'll find a bag of 4 screws and 2 different Allen wrenches. You'll find a sticker to help you mount the bracket. And here's the camera. This camera is a bullet style camera. It is rated for indoor and outdoor use. It is a 700 TV line resolution camera with an 8 to 20 millimeter lens. At 8 millimeters you're going to get a 40-degree view angle, and at 20 millimeters you're going to get a 10-degree view angle. This camera has 72 pieces of infrared LEDs, which is going to give you up to 200 feet of night vision in complete darkness. This camera also features an OSD on the joystick, which is going to give you features such as wide dynamic range, shutter control, 3D, DNR. We'll go over more in just a little bit here. This camera has a BNC female connection for the video and a female DC 12 volt connection for the power. This camera has a 2-axis wall mount bracket. We're going to give you a quick look at how this works. In the bag of screws that you received, there should also be 2 Allen wrenches. The larger Allen wrench is going to be used to adjust the bracket. If you loosen these 2 Allen screws on the bracket about 3 or 4 turns, you'll find that you can move the camera up, down, left, and right. Once you've got the camera facing in the direction you want it to be in, you can go ahead and tighten these screws back up to fix the camera in place. This camera also has an 8 to 20 millimeter lens that can be adjusted using the smaller Allen wrench in the bag. On the bottom of the camera, you'll notice there are 2 more Allen screws. The front Allen screw is for the zoom, which you will tighten or loosen to zoom the camera in or out. And the second Allen screw is to focus the camera, which you will also tighten or loosen to focus. Here is the video sample taken from this camera outside. We're going to demonstrate this 8 to 20 millimeter lens for you now. This is at the 8 millimeter mark right now. And here's the camera at its 20 millimeter mark. Here is another video sample taken from this camera. We're going to use this shot to go over the OSD menu featured with this camera. You'll see here we have a lens setting, there's a shutter and auto gain control, white balance, backlight, picture adjust, adaptive tone reduction, motion detection, privacy, day and night, noise reduction, camera ID, language. There's a reset button for the camera, a save settings buttons on the right, and to exit you just press down on the joystick. Here is another shot taken from this camera inside the same warehouse in complete darkness.